Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
This is the last of the good stuff, boss.
I know. Some of those bottles I've had for 10 years. But we gotta make payroll. Get it out of here.
You heard him. Load it up.
Good to see you, boys.
Boss, word on a job I pulled with Salvatore.
You did fine. Nothing on us now. Time. At least until the money runs out.
Don't go selling off the farm yet, boss.
Says you worked out an angle.
Yeah, and you're gonna love it. We make a few bucks and knock out a couple of Morello's teeth, too.
Okay, what's the rumpus?
A couple of weeks ago, I'm relaxing in the cigar lounge at the Blue Tropics.
Where?
Some small-time whorehouse. It's just a couple of closets with some mattresses on the floor.
It's a gentleman's club. They got a bar and everything. Anyways, one of the jobs is south, and he's crying to the madam about all his troubles. He catches my ear on account of his goofy accent. He's going on and on about how he just landed this huge payday, but the goons he's working for are already twisting his arm, and he's got the busted nose to show for it.
You pick up his tab?
Hell no. But I walked him out of the place, took him to the diner around the corner to sober up. We get to talking. Turns out his name is Gates. He's this hick up from Kentucky.
Moonshiner?
Better. His pop's got a couple of real distilleries, and I'll give you one guess as to their exclusive buyer around these parts.
Morello.
And you think he wants to burn bridges?
Oh yeah. I've been working him steady, boss. He's bringing up another shipment tonight, but he's got his entire crew ready to roll over. All we gotta do is make it look like a proper heist.
I don't know, Paul. You really trust this guy?
He's got no love for Morello, I'll tell you that. Not like we got a lot of options here. We'll be cutting up the last beam pretty soon, boss.
What do you think, Tom?
We need to replace the Canadian. If Paulie says this Gates can do that, I'm in.
Where's the meet?
The big parking garage downtown.
Okay, do it. But you better not be playing grab ass this time. You take Carlo and Little Bill with you.
Sure thing, boss.
Once you have the truck, drive it back here.
We won't let you down,
Nichts
boss.
leichter als das.
Don't make me regret giving you some time out there in this.
Ja, also eine Mission noch. Machen wir noch eine. Chat.
I know I don't. Tommy does that for me.
I'll keep your driver safe, boss.
Buona fortuna, boys.
Sam
Sind wir
and
noch
Little
ready
Bill
für
said
eine
to
Mission?
meet him downtown. You okay, Carlo? Looking kind of like you shit yourself.
Ah, get bent.
Big moment, huh? Finally
Fish
running with the
got
pack.
Listen, I spend more time with it Don than all of you
Der
put
diese
together.
Power.
Sure. Sat out on the road waiting till he's finished with his broad.
If you don't want me to come, won't. It's fine. Boss doesn't have to know.
Nah, you coming. The boss said you coming. Just, you got a face like you're being taken for an airing. I don't want Gates thinking we're frails.
Why is Gates sour on Morello anyways?
First time Gates pulled in with his trucks, Morello decided to change up the terms. The big guy himself popped him in the nose as part of the renegotiation.
His nose is gonna get more than a pop if Morello hears we're involved.
That's why we're pretending to stick him up. Then he'll go back
Stick
to his
'em up.
pop and tell a sob story about being robbed at gunpoint. He'll convince his old man that Morello can't protect the merchandise. They'll need to find a new buyer out here, and he's heard of a stand-up guy named Salieri.
This plan is some bullshit, Tom. Paulie told it to me yesterday, and somehow it's gotten worse.
Hey, when you get a lead for the boss, and you don't just drive him places, then you get to pick holes. So then, shut your damn mouth.
Ah, whatever helps you sleep. When Morello tracks you down, don't come crying to me.
You serious? Really serious?
Fellas, knock it off. Christ.
No. Oh.
do a lot of deals here. Parking attendant don't ask for much dough. Always closes up shop till I'm done.
Okay, we're good. Gates is waiting up on the top floor.
Das sagt mir auch etwas, wenn wir so rundum fahren.
Place seems clear so far.
Only people with cars are people with jobs. 9 to 5, place is deserted.
Well, we got jobs and we're here.
That kind of a
So.
job, sure. Come on, let's go!
So fahren. Ein bisschen näher, weil die anderen Schuhe weit weg sind. Siehst du sie gar nicht richtig?
What's the hold-up?
Anything else we need to know about Gates, Polly?
Only that he's got a bust-up nose and crates full of the good stuff.
Oh,
Our
das ist
kinda
eine
guy.
massive
Our
Schiesserei.
kind of guy. Park up over there.
Polly, good to see you, pal.
Yeah, you too, Gates.
Well, I hope you all have good taste in whiskey.
I ain't really the expert here. Tommy,
Oh, yeah. It's fine. Your first payment. If the Don's impressed, he'll finance more runs.
and each one's gonna be bigger than the last. We're all gonna be rich, boys.
Well, we are always happy to do business with good folks like Don Salieri. Please, give him my regards.
Sure thing. Now we just gotta conclude this transaction.
Damn it, Paulie! No! It's okay. Oh,
What? I told you we gotta make it look like a proper robbery.
damn thing's gonna be crooked by the time I'm done with this city.
Ah, don't worry, pal. With all the dough you're raking in, you're gonna be able to pay for a new one.
Watch out!
God damn it! Battle it together, Polly! Damn it!
Gangster shit, man. Der Vollidiot so aus der Hüfte schießt. Also aus der Hüfte, so über die Deckung, man, das ist so cool.
How the hell did they know about this? Because you always shoot your mouth off. Gates took a bullet.
Gates took a bullet. Wie ist es mit Waffen? Pistolen haben wir eine gute, wir haben Tommy Gun, easy.
This ain't as bad as it looks. Now take the booze and get. My guys will come for me. Now go, go, go! So long as you guys clear him out up ahead, I'll be safe here with the little guy.
Carlo, in the cab with me. You know you stead. Tommy, check for more of them. This thing ain't over.
Come on, I'll back you up.
Sieht der aus?
We got more of them!
They got back over here!
They got another friend.
Hundertmal die besser knallen, Mann.
You like that? Say goodnight, Pop. Head down, huh?
Das ist ja nicht tot. So. Wie ist es? Wie sieht's aus jetzt hier? Mit Moon und Secrets, ja? Wo sind die Sekreten? Nennt ihr da was das? Ja, let's go! Soll ich jetzt das Auto nehmen? Kann ich? Kann gar nicht. Nein, jetzt habe ich... Jetzt habe ich probieren einsteigen, hat der nachgeladen. Das wollte ich nicht. Okay, ja, gut. Ich guck gerade.
Find a way in, Tom. I'll stick with the truck.
Ja, da kannst du dich oben durch, Mann. Jo. Wo? Also, was? Also, ich bin doch jetzt nie... Ich bin doch nicht in der Flamme gewesen jetzt. What the fuck? Die verrecken jetzt eher, ja. Wahrscheinlich muss ich dort rein. Da kann ich rein. Jetzt habe ich ein bisschen panikt. Da ist noch ein Secret. Nein. Grenades? Jawohl. Ja, ein Sekret. Gut. Soll ich jetzt schon? Ich gehe nachher eh nicht mehr zurück, dann kann ich es auch jetzt nehmen, oder? Das Medi. Scheiße. Keep the boost safe. Ja, das ist ja schon fast kaputt, der scheiß Last, oder wieder? Weißt du, ich könnte einfach weiter oben warten. Ich meine, ist ja bescheuert. So idiotisch, Mann. Heftig. Oh, da ist ja nochmal ein. Ratatata. Ja, das war ein bisschen tiefzielig, was soll ich sagen? Was soll ich denn sagen? Eben, das ist ein Witz. Also ich meine, wieso wartet er nicht weiter oben? Dann fährt er da ins Ziel rein. Das ist voll Idiot, Mann. Naja.
Grab a set of wheels and watch my back.
Sure thing.
How the hell did Morello hear about my deal?
All kinds of beefers in this city. For now, let's get the booze back to the warehouse and try not to die.
Sie schaut dich an, er ist wirklich halt... Also der Lastwagen ist halt fast kaputt.
I knew it!
Jetzt ist er dann gerade kaputt und fertig. I mean, Bro. Was soll denn das? Aber jetzt ist er wieder ganz, oder? Das ist halt mega mies.
How the hell did Morello hear about my deal?
All kinds of beefers in this city. For now, let's get the booze back to the warehouse and try not to die.
I knew it! We got more guys on us!
Okay, let's slow them down some.
Hit him where it hurts!
Jo! Nicht gut. Ja, das ist nicht gut. Er nimmt jetzt einfach keinen Schaden.
Morello sent more guys after us!
Ja. Ja, das mit dem Rahmen funktioniert hure gut. Ne? Das funktioniert hure gut. Das mache ich nicht mehr. Ja, mit dem X-Knopf kannst du so, dann rammt er so, oder dann macht er so, schiert er so aus. Aber es funktioniert irgendwie hure nicht gut. I don't know.
How the hell did Morello hear about my deal?
All kinds of beefers in this city. For now, let's get the booze back to the warehouse and try not to die.
I knew it! We got more guys on us!
Er hat Shit gesehen, er ist nämlich jetzt
Let's
hinter uns.
slow them down some.
Hit him where it hurts!
Perfekt. Tommy.
Morello sent more guys after us!
Ja, so schade. Goddammit.
I knew it! We got more guys on us!
Okay, let's slow them down some.
Hit him where it hurts!
Wieso sind die einfach schneller? Oh, ihr Bitches, Mann. Ihr kleine Wichser.
Morello sent more guys after us!
Another motor coming after the booze truck.
Ja, das war gut. Wunderschöne Kurve. Da nicht, ne? Ja. Ich hab gemeint, ich kann durchfahren. Aber nichts. Jo. Ja, komm, weißt du, nachher, du das geht's dann nicht. Und da, nein. Schade.
They don't stop coming, do they?
Wir sind nie mehr, Mann, wir sind alle unten. Was schiessest du, mein Boy? Der Lastwagen ist schneller. Und jetzt hat er wieder irgendeinen am Arsch steht. Das ist ja...
We lost them all.
Thank Christ for that. Let's head home. See what we got.
We got the booze. I mean, I know I didn't.
Es ist noch nicht fertig, im Fall. Was schnurrt ihr da so entspannt?
Yeah. So tonight, me and you are gonna drink a bunch of it.
I guess we earned that much.
Und da lassen wir jetzt noch unten vorne, Mann. Nicht gut. Das wäre jetzt blöd. Wir riskieren es nicht. Scheiß Teufel. Können wir da hinfahren oder was? Da können wir hinfahren. Hui! Wir haben es geschafft.
Looks like a 38. Morello's boys caught up with you?
Yeah, boss. We took care of it.
What about the kid from Kentucky?
He took a slug to the shoulder, but he's a tough blocker. He and his crew dusted out as soon as we bumped off Morello's hatchet men.
Getting shot will give Gates and his pop another reason to ice Morello out of the whiskey business.
Well, let's see if this hooch was worth all the trouble.
Hooch.
Excellent. I'll work out the details with Papa Gates. But once we're running this Kentucky Brown, we'll be back in brass buttons. Good work, son. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of all of you. Saludo!
Saludo! Ah. Trophy. Ich brauche vor allem den Sound. Aber früher war er geiler, oder? Der PS4 Trophy Sound war geiler. Ich bräuchte den als Sound Alert oder einfach als Command, wo man auslösen kann. Oder wenigstens als Knopf da.
Sounds like Salieri was getting ready to make his move.
Working up to it, maybe. But then, Prohibition ended. And the bootlegging business got knocked on its ass. Oh, that fighting over booze meant next to nothing. It took us a few years to recover.
Muss dringend das Licht ablöschen und
Boy,
das Fenster
it
aufmachen.
was something. We took what dough we had from the moonshine and Canadian whiskey and invested it into new records. Some of them even legal. Construction, restaurants, trucking, gambling. We branched out into everything. Except peddling dope. And by 35, things were looking up. We had good money rolling in on the regular. I had a wife and daughter. Sam was running a club for the Don. Even Paulie had a few records of his own. Wasn't exactly happy, but what do you call it then?
Content.
Yeah, that was it. And Salieri, he finally starts talking about getting out of Morello's shadow. Maybe buying our own cops, our own politicians.
That's interesting. You think Salieri was sourcing highbinders in 34?
Maybe. Why?
Well, a few years back, the Vice Squad got a judge on solicitation of a minor. Once in the box, he started confessing all sorts of misbehaving, trying to get a deal. But he copped to taking kickbacks from Morello and your man Salieri. Playing him off one another, trying to goose the take. But once Morello found out, he threatened to the judge's kids on the beach. Still breathing, of course.
Christ. That was the missing piece.
How's that?
Morello was always winding us up, but he never did anything that might start an all-out war. Learning Salieri was building his own bench must have finally tipped his scales, because in 35, he hit us with both barrels.
Es bleibt spannend. Bleibt spannend. Bon Appetit.
With his face and pasted it on his face.
Tommy,
Oh, hey, boss, what's going on?
I'm glad you're here.
There you go, boss.
Ja, habe ich schon gesagt, dass ich das Game hure geil
for
finde.
lunch, but Carlo called in sick.
Es
You
ist
up
so
for a drive?
geil einfach.
Sure, boss.
Bravo. I'm already starving.
Apropos, Mann, Hunger.
You got a pee on you?
Yeah. You think I'll need it?
You know how it is. Things with Morello have been a little quiet lately. Maybe it's just got me jumpy is all.
Endlich mal ein richtiger Schlitten, Mann.